It was all because of GTA. I'm gonna blame it on GTA more than anything. Now, I could say, the partial truth, yes, my dad did call me many times throughout a probably 2-year span of, hey, you should learn to ride a motorcycle, you should get a motorcycle's license. Hey, it'll boost your confidence, you'll learn a new skill, you'll feel, more, just mainly draws down to confidence. And then it got to the point of, hey, just take the motorcycle class, I'll pay for it, and you don't even have to ride bikes after that. Just take the class, learn how to ride. And I had a free weekend and was like, sure, why not? But I don't think that's the whole truth of how I got into motorcycles. Now, I didn't have any friends that ride. I knew my mom rode, just from the stories my dad told me of, how she was champion of Ukraine in dirt bike riding and he was her coach, and they came to America for a tournament, on dirt bike tournament for women. I could say, it could be in my blood, but I wasn't raised around that because when she left to do her own thing, my dad didn't have dirt bikes around and we rarely watched it. If anything, we watched a whole ton of Formula One, but I didn't become a Formula One driver. Maybe, one could say it was in my blood and I was destined to ride motorcycles one day. But also, I don't think that's the whole truth as well. Now, what I do think is the whole truth is GTA. And I blame GTA all the way, and I thankfully blame them. I didn't know I wanted to ride motorcycles until I actually rid one in the class for the first time. But looking back, when I used to play GTA, I would only ride the motorcycle. I would get on it and just ride around the map, or get on the dirt bike and ride on the mountain and just ride on the mountain with a GTA dirt bike, and if I died, I'd respawn and whatnot. And it never clicked on me that, hey, you want to ride motorcycles, or you like motorcycles. But looking back at it, I do find that pretty funny, and I do think that was the seed that was planted, but I didn't see it sprouting yet. But I think it was within that time frame of me playing a lot of GTA, and then my dad bringing the theme up of me just taking the class, where I was finally like, okay, why not? What's the worst that could happen? Who knew it would just change my whole life? But I boil it all down to, blaming it on the amount of attention the pixelated motorcycles got that caused my yearning to ride. The doggone truth obviously is, just my dad kind of pushing me, and in a way I will say riding motorcycles definitely did help on my own self-confidence and believe in myself and my capabilities. Not just because I learned a new skill, but just the whole stepping out of comfort zones. And I do believe this is really essential when you're trying to grow as a person. That's why I will always advocate, even if you don't want to become a motorcycle enthusiast or have it become a lifetime passion, at least take the motorcycle safety course and just learn how to ride. Just that alone. You don't have to fall in love with it. Just that alone, I do feel like it's very beneficial. And even other things, just learning new skills is very important as for character development, in my opinion. So when I went to take that class, it was mainly just to, for character development, but that ended up just creating a whole new character on its own. Yeah, but that's as simple as the story. I wanted to make a really short video of how I got into riding motorcycles, and it don't get any shorter or longer than that. But how did y'all get into riding motorcycles? Because everyone tends to have a pretty unique story, whether it's, your parents used to ride or a midlife crisis. I want to hear it all in the comments. I love when y'all write y'all stories down there. So feel free to use this opportunity to give me something to read on how y'all got into the whole bike culture. I am all for it. Write a whole essay in the comments if you want to. I love it. I'm all for it. But besides that, thanks for checking out this video and supporting my channel. I really appreciate y'all. I hope y'all have a good day. Y'all stay safe on the road, but most of all, don't forget to spread love to those around you.